Hello and welcome to my crochet channel. Today I would like to show you 5 lacy scarves that I recently crocheted. A viewer of my channel contacted me through Etsy asking me whether I would take commissions for some lacy scarves. In the past, for many years, people had been asking me whether I sell my finished crochet items or if I take commissions, but this was not something I was doing. However, this year I decided to start taking crochet commissions. So if any of you would be interested in commissioning me lacy scarves or anything else really, you can contact me through email or you can send me a message on Etsy. Alright, and now let me show you each scarf in detail. This is the scarf number 1. Those of you who follow my channel have already seen it. I have a full tutorial for this scarf. I will link it in the description box below. The yarn that I used is Hobbii Universe, 98% acrylic and 2% polyester, and the color is number 7. And here is what the scarf looks like on a mannequin. It has a beautiful soft drape and looks quite elegant. Here is the scarf number 2. And I do have a tutorial for the main stitch of this scarf. But what I did differently in this scarf is that I started it with 2 rows of double crochets, and I also finished it with 2 rows of double crochets. And on both sides of the scarf I added a border of 4 double crochets. I really like this yarn and its beautiful colors. This yarn is Riot Double Knitting by King Cole, and it's 30% wool and 70% premium acrylic. The color is number 3352 Water Lily. And here you can see how beautifully it looks and how nicely it drapes. Here is the scarf number 3. In this lacy pattern I used puff stitches. I do have a video tutorial for this same pattern, but in that video tutorial I used solid color yarn. I really like how this pattern worked out with the variegated yarn. The color changes are really lovely. The yarn is Red Heart Unforgettable. It is 100% acrylic and the color name is Gotham. And just like the other 2 scarves, this scarf has a really nice and beautiful drape. Here is the scarf number 4. It looks somewhat similar to the previous one, but these are big shells made with trebles. I do have a tutorial for it, but in that original tutorial I used the fine mohair yarn. The yarn is Landscapes by Lion Brand Yarns. It's 100% acrylic and the color is Tropics. This scarf has a bit more of a chunkier texture, but it drapes quite nicely. And here is the last scarf, number 5. It is not as lacy as the other 4, and it's not as wide as the other 4. And this is the same yarn as the previous scarf, Landscape by Lion Brand Yarns, but this color is Mountain Range. And because it's not as lacy as the other 4 scarves, it actually drapes quite differently. I want to say a huge thank you to the lady who commissioned me these scarves. She already received them and she quite liked them, which makes me very, very happy. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below which one of these scarves is your favorite.